Welcome to Assembly News Now. This is Chief Editor John Sprovieri, and here's what's happening with product assembly on February 3rd. A high-speed automation system assembles electrical connectors. A cobot dispenses grease. Mazda vows to become more flexible. BMW opens a new assembly plant. And Jaguar uses drones to inspect production machinery. These Assembly News Now stories after a brief message from our sponsor, the Manufacturing and Automation Exchange, where innovation meets inspiration. Join us March 25 to 26 in Nashville, Tennessee to see the latest technology for assembly, quality, safety, adhesive bonding, finishing, and packaging. Sign up before February 14th to get free Expo-only access. Learn more at themaxevent.com. Systems integrator Edgewater Automation recently completed a high-speed automated assembly system to produce electrical connectors. Built for throughput, precision, and repeatability, the 10-station system includes multiple scale robots, a rotary indexing dial, and a linear motor transfer system. Advanced part tracking technology provides full traceability. Japanese manufacturer Sonko is using a collaborative robot from Denso to dispense grease onto small mechanical assemblies. Sonko makes plastic and metal parts for cars, medical devices, and consumer electronics. The company chose a cobot for the application so that it could be deployed on the assembly line near people. The cobot has increased quality and saved labor costs. Mazda has unveiled a new manufacturing strategy for the next 5 years. The plan will enable the automaker to better respond to changing consumer demand and environmental regulations. Mazda will adopt mixed model assembly lines that can produce electric, gas-powered, and hybrid vehicles simultaneously. The strategy will emphasize non-fixed production equipment. For example, instead of fixed conveyors, the company will use automated guided vehicles to move parts and cars from station to station. And now for today's top story. BMW operates more than 30 factories worldwide, including Germany, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, China, India, Thailand, and the United States. The company's newest assembly plant opened last October in Debrecen, Hungary. The factory makes BMW's iX3 electric SUV, the first vehicle based on the automaker's New Class platform. The $2 billion factory was planned and built digitally from the outset, more than 2 years before it opened. This approach allowed every operation to be tested virtually in advance, so production lines could be installed exactly as in the digital twin. The body shop in particular benefited from digital validation. Every process detail was simulated in advance to ensure that each of the nearly 1,000 robots was optimally positioned. Close collaboration between design and manufacturing teams helped to make production highly efficient. For example, the number of joining methods was significantly reduced, which helped to simplify the assembly process. The energy-efficient paint shop produces less carbon emissions than any BMW factory. In fact, the Debrecen plant is BMW's first factory to be powered exclusively with electricity from renewable energy sources during normal operation. About a quarter of the plant's annual power needs will be supplied by an on-site photovoltaic system. Surplus solar energy, such as that generated on non-working days, is banked in a thermal storage system. The building's finger structure enables 80% of parts to be delivered directly to each point on the assembly line. Autonomous mobile robots convey parts throughout the plant. All the equipment and tools at the plant are connected to BMW's production system. Sensors and cameras along the production line automate test and inspection processes. Artificial intelligence evaluates the data and provides real-time feedback to employees. Looking ahead, Vehicles on the line will become active, connected participants in the factory's industrial Internet of Things. They will conduct self-analysis, interact with employees in real time, and automatically share messages using tools such as onboard cameras and IT systems. And finally, engineers at JLR, the manufacturer of Jaguar and Land Rover vehicles, are using drones to inspect machinery at the company's factory in Wolverhampton, England. The initiative has reduced inspection time by 95%. The drone reaches high and confined spaces, allowing maintenance teams to inspect equipment safely from the factory floor. Operated via tablet, the drone uses LiDAR to create a 3D map of the environment. The drone also carries a thermal camera to pinpoint overheating components and insulation failures. That's all for this edition of Assembly News Now. For all the latest news about assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and tune in next month for another installment of Assembly News Now.